go and enter too, so that enter. Criminal.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Like me, you do something like this.
Where you going? I'm not going anywhere. I'm sorry.
Hold on now. What's your problem? Why did you hold her?
I know where she's living. I'll take you there.
Oh, you should have held her and let me take her to the station in May.
You know, she's too heavy. I cannot even. Let's go. I don't know.
In fact, go. That's of the same kind of flock together. Go, leave my car.
That means I'm not like.
You are like her. Leave my car. I don't even know why I even said you should even enter. Just thank God my phone is. I can't even say much. Let me leave before these girls will call more people on me and come and they will now even kidnap me too.